Hi, I'm with these two lovely ladies who have organized the Design One exhibition in Dubai. Design One is a very popular exhibition in India and it's held in many places of India, but it's the first time it's come to Dubai, and these two ladies here sitting in front of me are the ones who have brought it in Dubai. So please introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Madhu Ruia. I represent Century Foundation, which has brought Design One to Dubai, and we are very proud to be a part of it.
Hi, Gauri Pohumal. Thank you, Dubai, for giving us such a great launching pad. This is the first time Design One has left the shores of India, and we're happy and proud to be associated with our friends in Dubai.
So, Gauri and Madhu, please tell us the concept behind Design One. What made you start it in the first place?
Design One is sort of made up of women. Surgery means women who work together, and the foundation, Surgery Foundation, is about 12, 13 of us girlfriends who wanted to get into the world of philanthropy because we do feel that we have the privilege of having the best of life and we would like to give back now. Having this ethos in mind, we started the concept of Design One, which brings together various types of artists and creative people, and we created a platform in which they sell their products, and we use this platform to raise money and awareness for all the various NGOs that we work in.
You can talk.
So, Design One. Sorry.
No, you can talk about charity also. It's not going on any.
Design One, our tagline is designed to empower. So in doing so, we are giving a platform to our young designers, established ones, and we are bringing a lot of creativity to buyers. And in doing that, we are empowering ourselves as well, because each platform, each time we do an exhibition, it brings out the best in us. And doing it in Dubai has been an amazing experience because we really did not know how to handle a new city with the new people and what Dubai really likes. So it has been an amazing experience for us.
But tell me something. I heard just now, somebody told me that people actually have to approach you, and only when you are satisfied that they are good enough for your exhibition that you accept them.
That's right. We curate. We are 15 women, and we sit around the table. We have about 400 to 500 people, and we curate them very extensively and make sure that the quality is right, the creativity is right, and it's not really sort of just copied from anybody else. So it is a very well curated exhibition.
So are quality and creativity the main criteria on which you select your exhibitors?
Certainly, I think it is a fulcrum point, but we also look towards diversity because every market does want the entire spectrum. So we do ensure that we have the various price points as well as the various techniques, whether it be embroidery or it is block prints or it is pure Indian traditional. So Design One as a platform provides truly a good shopping experience because there is something for everybody who comes to Design One.
But tell me something, like you said, there are price points. So is there any particular price at which you start and at which you end, or like what is the price criteria?
No, it depends on the sort of fabrics that are used and the sort of work that is being done. But we do ensure that there is an attractive piece that is affordable, and of course it goes into couture, which has its own price tags, but there are great buyers for that too.
So what has been the response in Dubai so far?
Sorry.
What has been the response in Dubai so far?
I think that the response has been really overwhelming because we did not expect what we have seen. We have been received with a lot of love and with a lot of open arms. In Bombay, our Design One shows see a footfall of 17,000 women over 2 days. But here we were a little wary. But when we saw today, the hall was almost full all the time, and we are very, very happy about it.
So is this going to be an annual affair, or are you going to do 2 exhibitions in a year, or how soon are you going to come back to Dubai?
If Dubai wants us, we're happy to come back. It's up to the Dubai guys. So we love being here, and we would like to plan something else.
But how much of Dubai do you have in the exhibition? Do you have a lot of India, or do you have a lot of Dubai in the exhibition?
We have some of Dubai. We've got Aisha Dubalia, we've got Simran, we've got Kamu, we've got
Mariam, we have some designers from London as well.
Would you want more local designers from Dubai to participate in your next exhibition?
We could look towards that because I think there's great creativity and talent in Dubai, and it would only enhance the platform that we have.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope it comes out well, because there was